Batam, Indonesia, a beautiful place with a serious waste problem. Come with us as our volunteers explore 4 different goals to help the local communities on this Meet a Green Need adventure.
Well, such a beautiful morning and the sun is shining, but then when you look it's quite dirty, so I'm glad we're doing something to also make the beach look nice, just like the sky.
Today we are doing our very first cleanup for this trip in Tanjung Uma, which is a community known for fishing. It's a local coastal community. As you can see in the back there, they all live on stilted houses where during high tide, a lot of the plastic gets washed under these houses, and then on low tide, that's where you see a lot of these plastics. It washes up on the shores, it washes up on the beaches as well. And so this is one of the communities that we focus in, and we'll see that throughout the trip as well.
Just look around and see the waste around you. This bit that we're doing here today is only one small part of what we can do. The pollution is real.
It would be nice to clean this beach, to have people, tourists, go in here and have a sight how lovely those oceans.
It's definitely a lot of waste to manage. I wouldn't know where to start even looking at this beach. It's so much, and I'm grateful that we're here doing what we can, and I think we've got a big task ahead of us.
Visiting the houses and seeing and collecting the waste from them, I think it was a shock to see that something as basic as waste disposal management is not available to them.
Going to the household, we separated and sorting in trash bin. It's only, what else? Bigger waste, we're not separating only one trash bin, all of the waste, if we can.
Seeing the bins in the villages and seeing the villagers actually using the bins to clean up their own village. As a father myself, it breaks my heart to see kids living in those environments.
Every month that collecting 3 to 4 tons of plastic and being able to repurpose all of that plastic is definitely going to make the biggest difference here.
I'm saddened about the plastics waste here, especially in the villager area, where I can see there's a lot of people live there, kids, babies, but they live in a quite dirty area. So this event really impact for the social, for the people there. So I'm very touched, and I learn a lot about how to manage plastics.
Creating the river barrier and installing it. When I saw them installing it, and I could see immediate impact in the sense that where you could see the trash moving or flowing through the river, it all got stuck at the river barrier, and that's one of the most effective ways to collect trash in the river.
The equipment is actually very simple, but to think that it will be useful for more years to come. And it will still be there, even maybe I'm not here, but my contribution will still be here. So that is the most impactful thing for me.
Everything that I
really like it is about that I have a chance to see how to turn the plastic waste into the valuable thing, because like many plastic waste here, by the servant can see they have the facility to turn it back into the valuable thing, and then they can bring that like stuff that's made from the plastic recycle to like make the roof for the community. Is very beneficial to help the community here.
I'm cleaning a bunch of bottle caps using toothbrushes found on the beach. This is just one step in a very long process to recycling these stuff to create sustainable housing and furniture and all of that for these people.
I like making the roof tiles. It's quite unique where we make the plastic, we sort the colors and then we shred it and then we make it into something like hard rock, right? As a roof tiles, it's so interesting to me.
So I think this project is very good because it turned out the yesterday trash into the tomorrow solution.
Like I enjoy the painting session, also, and probably the construction of recycle plates in MRF. So I think it was because I used to supplying some raw materials for plastic, so somehow I can kind of relate.
So better if everyone take the responsibility and do their own part. I think the environment will be much more better.
I got to play soccer with the kids and they're having fun, but it's surrounded by trash and it shouldn't be. So seeing that waste being turned into roof tiles and just seeing it being cleaned up from the villages was really meaningful for me.
And it would be great, if we could, continue to educate the community here that even though there's no waste management system, but we can do it, on our own. Yeah.
Plastic is very bad here. I think the community needs to start to do something because they cannot help their government to do something. They need to start at their home and teach their children so that in future the plastic waste can be reduced.
The benefits of the plastic recycle, and we can do the construction for people they don't have their house, and we can help them to do that.
We need to get the awareness up. We need to involve more people within Jepson and Jessen as well as within the local communities to do what's right for not just ourselves but for generations to come.